What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Sixth Gear Auto. Today we got something real cool. So I recently was reached out to by a company to help advertise a bit of their products, and you know what? Right up my alley. Like I said in the last video, I had been a detailer in the past, and I'm glad I'm able to start, doing some work with detailing companies. So let's Salem's here because he wants to see what I'm opening up too. But let's open up the box. Some of you know, I was a detailer in college for a BMW dealership as well as a Cadillac dealership, and I really enjoyed it. And a company called ShineArmor actually reached out to me and asked if I would want to help promote some of their product. Now, I'm not going to turn that down. It sounds fun. It sounds like a cool way to, help promote a company that I also like using their products. I've heard of them. I've used some of their products in the past, actually, and they're very good. So I decided, let's give it a shot. So I've used a fair variety of detail supplies throughout the 4 cars I've owned now. I've used stuff from Chemical Guys. I've used stuff that's the stuff you buy through 8080 as well as Tuner Cult. I've used pretty much anything I could get my hands on, but I have used ShineArmor in the past, and it's always been a good result. This one is the graphene ceramic spray, so should be more like a ceramic coat than just a detail, which is great because obviously I'd like to protect the Gotta Have It Green triple coat metallic paint, which I need to actually clean anyway. You can see a couple of spots here and there that need to be detailed. So this is going to be a detailing video. So this actually came with 2 microfibers, which is good because I'm almost out of my microfibers. But let's get started on this. Oh yeah, that just immediately cut through any kind of like dirt or mark that was on the paint. A little bit of a watermark there. And just about cleared the watermark. Mist's on real nice and light compared to some products I've seen that just aren't that great with that. And you can already see all the dirt coming right off. It's really, really good how quickly this thing works. Like, this is how quick you want your liquid detailer to work, your ceramic spray, any of it. This is what you want. I just briefly had to go run an errand, and I realized how completely filthy the rear of my car is. So let's see how good the ShineArmor works to clean that up. Lock that again. Bring out the rag, the microfiber, and it works really quickly. Obviously, this is just, basic road dirt, stuff like that, that regularly just comes up, but using this and the microfiber works really well. Kind of gets rid of every little bit of swirls or anything in it. And you can see it's actually really great, really, really clean now. Gonna use this along the top as well. Yeah, instantly so much better. You can see because it's this dark here And now it's that clear. That's amazing. And no, this isn't me just trying to like hype up a company. This is actually a very good product. It is cutting through dirt that's been built up for, you know, literally like 2 months, because I just haven't gotten around to cleaning it. Clean up the license plate, because can't have a dirty tag, or at least don't want to. So the tag is clean. Clean this part real quick. Not bad. It's such a big difference using this, actually. Like, it really is making a huge difference in how clean the car is, because you can see right here the difference in how clean it is. Because here I haven't cleaned, here I have. Like this. It's just that quick. It really, it's a very good product. I'm very surprised with how good this one is. So I just cleared off this part. There's still, you know, a couple scratches just because this is not gonna clear scratches, but it cleared all of the dirt pretty much effortlessly. And obviously, again, scratches, but it's very impressive, this product. All right, just quick update to end the video. It is now, I think, about 2 days after I put the ShineArmor graphite ceramic detailer on, and pretty much perfectly clean hand. I've been driving this thing. I've been going around doing a good bit of driving. I think I've put 30 or 40 miles on it since putting the graphite on it. Yeah, this is pretty freaking awesome how good this works. So, like I said, if you want to get some of this of these detail supplies, you can get it using code 6th Gear on their website to get 20% off. And hopefully y'all enjoy it as much as I do. I fully intend to, you know, actually fully go over the car because I didn't do that yet. But if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I'll see y'all in the next video. But till then, bye-bye.